Hello, my name is Megan Benjamin, and I am responding to the Week 4 screencast. Trying to figure out my lighting in here. So the big ideas from this screencast were how to create a good writing assignment for our students. So figuring out as a teacher how to provide students with a good writing assignment that they can then turn in a good writing assignment to us. So some features that a good writing assignment includes are providing clear instructions to the students in written format, so that students who are visual learners can look at the directions clearly laid out on paper, and it's easy to refer back to both for the teacher and the student. Also providing a detailed rubric describing the different levels of success, how a student can gain the grade that they are looking for on this paper, the exact criteria that they need to hit to get an A or a B or a C. And then providing the students with an operative verb to use in writing their paper or assignment. So whether it be a compare-contrast paper or an argument paper, and then stating the assignment's benefit to the students. So telling them how this assignment fits in with the course curriculum and making sure that they understand the purpose of it. And them understanding the purpose will have them make meaning of the content, and the teacher then tries to extract or understand the student's meaning of the material. And this is a way for a teacher to assess the student's understanding, and if they are not understanding the content at all, it will be very clear in their writing, and so it's a good assessment method of putting them back on track or figuring out the students who are understanding. And then also, as teachers, using beautiful problems rather than just a simple read this, answer a simple question type response. So a beautiful problem is a way for students to really relate what they are learning in the classroom to the real world by making them think like an expert in that content field would think. So it's a way for them to kind of see more real-world applications of the subject. So one beautiful problem that I thought of for a math class is to have students observe data from a local consensus in the county that they are living in, and have them calculate the rate of population growth within different cities in the county, so that they could then write a half-page comparison between the city that they live in and 2 or 3 other cities within the county, and they can use the data from the consensus to back up their claims and calculations. So the raft model for this problem would be the role of the student. They would be acting as a statistician for the county that they are in. After they, are given the data, they would then analyze it and calculate the statistics. The audience for the students would be the school board members. So I'll jump to the format. So the format that I would want them to write it in is a proposal to the school district and the school board for how many teachers are needed or how many staff are needed for the amount of people in the cities that there will be in the next 2, 3, 5, 10 years. So the students would be calculating what the rate of population growth is to figure out what potential populations will be in the future, to figure out how many students they are expecting to come through the school system. And that will then they will analyze that to come up with a proposal to give to the school board of how many teachers they think are needed. So this relates to the topic of calculating rates and then predicting future outcomes from these rates. So using functions to calculate future populations from the rate of the population growth and the patterns of the past. So that is my raft problem for math class, and thank you.